My name's Matthew. We moved out to Escondido about 7 years ago. It's really hot here in Escondido. They actually don't have natural gas here, so our electric bills were really high, sometimes over $500–600, and it was just too expensive to run AC, and it was miserable here during the summer. So we thought maybe we should look at solar. I talked to my friends and family members, some that had solar, some that hadn't, and I looked at a lot of different companies, and Semper Solaris was highly recommended by one of my friends here in the neighborhood. So we gave you all a call, and you guys gave us the best quote and the best overall service. My experience with Semper Solaris was pretty amazing. I've dealt with a lot of technical installation in my life. The sales rep was very knowledgeable, was able to go over my system. The installers gave some very good communication, which a lot of installers aren't capable of doing other places. So the communication was great. They kept on track. They kept their expectations very clear, and they followed through. So I was very happy. So now that we have solar on our home, I feel more free to use the air conditioner. Also looking forward to using the heater more in the winter. So pretty excited. Anyone looking at going solar, I would recommend it, especially this year, because this is the last year of the federal rebate. And Semper Solaris is the best. They beat everyone else's quote by over $1,500. And like I said, their communication is better than any other company I've ever dealt with.